friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to set talkback on infinix mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting, then from here at first you are going to find this screen. Okay, from here you have to scroll, then on the last down you are going to find this special function, so you have to click on it. When you click on it, you are going to find this screen, and here you have to click is here click yeah no click on this accessibility. Okay, after that scroll, then here you are going to find this talkback, so click on talkback, then use talkback option, just click on this icon. Here click on allow. Here the talkback has been turned on. You can set the talkback like this. Okay, if you want to click the back button, click tap back button, again back button, tap double, you have to click double. Okay, back button. If you want to scroll, you can't with one finger, you have to use two finger like this. Okay, then click on back button, click double. Here it has been set the talkback. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.